Mark links the incident of the challenge to the authority of Jesus, as you just read, with the incident of the cleansing of the temple. Mark chapter 11, 15 to 19. When asked by the Pharisees where his authority comes from, Jesus points back to the baptism of John and so to his own baptism, where he received the invitation to be both slave and son. Since they are not able to answer, because whatever answer they give will result in their condemnation, Jesus too refuses to answer this question. The point that Mark seems to be making is that the authorities had closed themselves to the revelation of God in Jesus and so would not be willing to accept Jesus as God's chosen one. There would not be much use in trying to explain to those who are not open to listen. We sometimes make up our minds about something and take so rigid a stand about it that we are then unwilling to change our stance or see someone else's point of view. The danger of this attitude is that we might miss out on learning something new and the revelation and the situation or person makes to us. We must not give up despite all these oppositions and challenges, and we should persevere and be strong amidst all the obstacles we may have to face, being inspired by many great examples of our holy predecessors, the great saints and other holy men and women in the past who had labored well and dedicated their whole lives to God. Each one of us is reminded that whenever we journey, that we are always guided by the Lord through His wisdom and His Spirit. However, it is often that we become complacent and slack in how we live our lives, taking the easy way out and preferring to conform to the ways of the world, especially to the path of evil, wickedness, and sin. That I may continue to be attentive in following the Lord by turning away from all those things that take me away from the Lord. Let's pray for this grace for one another.